In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Ads.txt file to your Wix website. This process is crucial for ensuring that your ad revenue is protected and that all your ads are authorized. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you need to log into your Wix dashboard. Head over to Wix.com and sign in with your account details. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll need to select the website you want to work on from your site list. This will take you to the dashboard for that particular site. Next, you need to get your Ads.txt file or code from Google AdSense. Open your AdSense account. If Google requires you to add an Ads.txt file, you will see an alert at the top of the page. It'll typically say, earnings at risk. You need to fix some ads file issues. When you see this alert, click on Fix Now. After clicking, you'll be provided with text to copy. It usually looks something like this. Google.com pub 123456790123456 direct F08C47FFE094 It's important to note that you should replace the pub ID with your actual publisher ID, which you can find in your AdSense account under Account, then Settings, and then Account Information. Now let's move on to opening your Wix settings. From your Wix dashboard, navigate to Settings, then click on Advanced, and finally select Custom Code. Scroll down until you reach the Custom Files section. This is where you'll be adding your Ads.txt file. The next step is to add your Ads.txt file to your Wix website. Wix makes it easy by supporting the direct upload of the Ads.txt file to your root domain. In the Custom Files section, click on Manage Ads.txt. This will prompt a new option for you to click plus Add Ads.txt. A text editor will pop up. Here, paste the AdSense or ad network code you copied earlier. After pasting the code, make sure to click Save. This action automatically publishes your file to your domain in the format https yourdomain.com/ads. After saving, it's crucial to verify that the file is working properly. Open a new browser tab and type your domain followed by adsbaz.txt. For example, you would enter https www.yourdomains.com/ads.txt. Once this is done, you should see your AdSense code displayed. If it appears, this means everything is set up correctly and your Ads.txt file is functioning as needed. Do keep in mind that it might take a few days for Google to detect the file. Make sure to check back in your AdSense dashboard to confirm that the warning message has disappeared. That's it. By following these steps, you'll ensure your ads are properly authorized, helping to protect your revenue stream. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.